Belfast Building and Roofing offers you a wide range of services using the latest thermal and acoustic solutions, giving you real savings and real comfort.
Okay, concrete window sills. I suppose like chimney caps, they've got to endure pretty severe weather and exposure to the elements for many years, like 100 years is not a lot of, for a house. If concrete anywhere starts to disintegrate, it's normally indicates a problem at its manufacture. And although there's lots of different things that can cause problems in concrete, I find that the three most common ones are rusty rebar, not enough cement, or inferior aggregate, maybe just impurities in the aggregate. But anyway, if your sill looks like it can be repaired without being renewed, you will need to remove any defective concrete, any rebar, any oxidization. Then you will need to get it drilled, pinned, scabbled and primed. You can then recast the sill in a timber mould and pour in a minimum, normally 40 Newton concrete, maybe more. Anyway, that's it. If you found this interesting, please like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Till the next time, bye for now.
So, if it's simple repairs or your dream home improvements, go to Belfast Building and Roofing at www.jgm-ni.com or call James on 02890 160 472 to book your free survey now. Belfast Building and Roofing. Real savings, real comfort.